Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the exact angle for reviews, classic, indie, or franchise deep dives, and why that choice attracts viewers. Once chosen, set up minimum gear, 1080p video, reliable mic, and consistent lighting so audio and picture don't distract. Make your channel now. Create the account, upload channel art, and write a short bio with your upload cadence. This gets you live fast. It also forces early decisions that shape future content and audience expectations. You then lock in a repeatable review structure, open with a 10-20-second hook, summarize plot without spoilers, analyze craft, then deliver a concise verdict. Make templates for scripts and graphics so each episode feels familiar. Once done, batch script and batch shoot to maintain momentum. This reduces burnout. Edit tightly. Trim pauses, add lower thirds for names and timestamps, and use a subtle music bed for emotion. Make sure to export consistent settings and keep a content calendar for uploads. You finish by expanding reach. Create short highlight clips, organize playlists, and collaborate with similar creators to tap new viewers. Once metrics align, pursue monetization paths. Ads after 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours, channel memberships, and selective sponsorships that match your voice. If problems arise, troubleshoot quickly. Eliminate audio hum with filters. A /B test thumbnails when click-through rate drops below historical averages, and rework pacing if retention falls. Keep iterating and make data-driven adjustments to scale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.